Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to share you two new features of SciSpace that will be very helpful for students and other professionals in the scientific field, particularly for those in the field of medicine and life sciences. Hi, this is Carl Season, helping you finish your academic requirements as quickly as possible. And welcome to our YouTube channel.
Kung hindi ka magaling sa isang bagay, ang ibig sabihin lang nun, magaling ka sa ibang bagay.
Sa mga bago pa lang po sa ating YouTube channel, ako po si Carl Season, a licensed professional teacher major in English, and I am uploading educational and motivational videos for you. Nagsishare po tayo ng tips na magagamit sa school, sa pag-aaral ng English, sa pagsusulat ng thesis, sa pagtitake ng licensure examination for teachers, at marami pang iba. Kaya kung gusto niyo po ng ganyang klaseng content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and always feel free to share our videos sa iba. So the first new feature is called BioMed Agent. If you have already watched our video about the SciSpace Agent, BioMed Agent is actually almost the same with the SciSpace Agent, but the difference is the SciSpace BioMed Agent is purpose-built for biomedical research. It is designed to handle discipline-specific workflows from genes and pathways to patients, drugs, and clinical trials, and it makes the entire biomedical research workflow easier for you. With more than 150 biomedical software and more than 100 specialized tools, the SciSpace BioMed Agent will be really very helpful for research, training, and innovation under biomedical field. So if you were a nursing student, a medtech student, or even if you are already a professional and you are currently researching for something or innovating something under the biomedical field, then the SciSpace BioMed Agent is perfect for you. You can use the SciSpace BioMed Agent when you are researching for broad topics such as molecular design, disease gene discovery, microbial engineering, and many more. And you can also use the SciSpace BioMed Agent for other practical use cases. Now, the second new feature of SciSpace is the biomedical illustrations. Here, you can now generate high-quality biomedical illustrations that you can use for your research manuscripts and presentations. All you need to do is to enter a prompt, then the agent can construct, revise, or refine the visualization based on your requirements. Later, I'm going to show you how to use the biomedical illustrations. But for now, let me show you first an actual walkthrough on the BioMed Agent. By the way, you can access the SciSpace BioMed Agent by clicking the link below on the comment section or in the description box. So this is the interface of the SciSpace BioMed Agent, and as you can see, this is almost the same with the SciSpace Agent. And if you look at this part, you can see the option Biomedical as well as all. So when you switch to all, this will be the same with the SciSpace Agent, in which you can research about everything and anything. But if you want to make your research more specific about biomedical field, then you should choose this option, biomedical field. And here you can also see the sample prompts that you can type in, and later on I will show you how to use those sample prompts. But let me first show you the biomedical agents. So here you can see the specific topics that you may choose to explore, and as you can see, there are so many topics under the biomedical field, and this will really help you as you do your research or other things related to your topics. For example, when you click this biology datasets, you just need to run the task, and then the agent will work for you, and then you get outputs that are all based on your preferences and requirements. Now, let's go back to the interface of the SciSpace BioMed Agent, and let's say your topic is about Alzheimer's, and you just need to enter the prompt, then run the task, and agent will do everything for you. So the first thing that you will see here is the research plan, and here you can see all the things that the agent will do for you. And while the agent is still running, you can see
already the outputs under those sections or steps that the agent is already finished executing. For example, you want to check the step 1, then you have it here, and then you can see the outputs here. You can actually download the output to print it or to have it on your own. Another one, let's try this about breast cancer. Then let's just run the task. So again, here you can see the research plan and then the steps in which the agent was already done. And again, you can also see here the outputs that you may download for your own convenience. Now let me show you the second new feature, the biomedical illustrations. All you need to do is just enter the prompt and then just find this section in which you can find the generated illustration. You are seeing different prompts and then different illustration outputs. And by the way, you can also ask the agent to refine or revise the illustration based on your requirements or preferences.
Well, these new features of SciSpace only prove that SciSpace is really committed to speeding up the research processes, but at the same time, to maintaining the quality of the research work. So that's it. I hope you find this video very helpful. Again, you can access the SciSpace BioMed agent and biomedical illustrations using the link on our comment section or in the description box. And also, if you wish to upgrade your SciSpace account into premium or advanced plan, you may use our specialized coupon codes below for amazing discounts. Again, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to share this video to your friends or classmates because as we say, sharing is caring. Again, this is Carl Season and see you on our next video.